So it's 7 o'clock. So in 3 minutes, we're going to start the countdown. 5-minute countdown goes into a 40-second intro animation that will just introduce everybody. After that, we're cutting to Chi, who's going to be hosting from up in the control room. You'll be able to see and hear him across all the speakers and TVs down here.
My son and I used to give a prize with all the lights. If we all fall down, we were all out now like
Running out on the beat, burning this track while looking for peace. Ironic, blood on the ground, blood around your feet, blood on your tips, but no blood on me. I ain't OJ, but I got away with it. I'm sipping OJ, the glove